Want to know how to get help with writing articles and blogs in Dola AI? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how you can do it. It's super simple and under a minute, so let's get straight to it. Now, first things first, you can just simply open up dola.com on your web browser. So you can just simply do that, or just simply open up the Dola application. So the choice is yours. So once you've done all of that, you should be provided with this interface right here. So now once you're under this interface, here on the leftmost side, you should be seeing various options. So what you can do is you can just simply directly select new chat, or just simply get help with typing articles and blogs, or for advanced feature you can just simply select AI bot right here and sorts out a specific bot for it. So you can just simply type in blogs and articles. So it's also bots regarding that, so there will be bots created actually regarding to that, and you can just simply check it. So you can see various ones right here, so you can just select any one of these and you should be good to go. And that's it. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.